I'm Alex with the Lexus Roofing. Let's do this. This is part 3 of a 4-part series. Spring's here, storms are hitting, hail damaged my roof. What do I do next? In this video, we'll be covering call the claims office to start the claims process. When you call them, let them know you either have wind or hail damage. Give them the time and the date that it occurred. Let them know if you have video of the event. Then once all the insurance questions have been answered, they will give you a claim number and advise an adjuster will call you. When this claims adjuster makes contact, he or she will set an appointment to inspect the damage. There are 2 types of adjusters you can get. One is a staff adjuster, which can make a coverage decision right there on the spot, give you write you up a check minus your deductible. That's if they have checks. Now, the second type is a third-party adjuster. They inspect the damage, take pictures, and report back to the insurance company. Afterwards, a desk adjuster will contact you with the coverage decision. There are 3 possible outcomes from this adjuster's report. So let's hope that he or she actually took very good pictures. That's why if you got a video, you want to let them know. So if it's inconsistencies, they can figure it out from there. Number 1, claim denied. If your claim is denied, the insurance company will send you a denial letter explaining why. Number 2, partial coverage. The insurance company will pay for partial damage to your home. Or number 3, full replacement of the roof or whatever the damage may be. And if you're already finding some value out of this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos that will help you with the claims process and the roof replacement. Now, let's dive into they are accepting coverage. If the insurance company approves your claim, they will generate a claim report, which could also be referred as an estimate, a scope of work, a scope of repairs, based on their company guidelines. This document will outline their suggested repairs, which could either be a partial repair or a full replacement. Keep in mind, adjusters are not contractors. They will miss and leave items out of their estimate. This is where you can partner up with a trusted contractor to ensure everything is going to be covered. I have a customer that they paid, an insurance company paid for a full roof replacement due to hail damage. However, they left out $6,000 worth of items on the estimate. I had to supplement the insurance and let them know that it's part of code and it's manufacturer instructions. Though that is something that we'll go into in the next video. Next, the insurance adjuster will explain the payment process to you. Here's what typically happens. Number 1, they will advise you'll be responsible for paying your deductible directly to the roofing contractor. Number 2, they may tell you that the initial payment will be mailed to you, or if you have direct deposit set up, then the deposit will happen in X amount of hours or days, minus your deductible. Be aware this check may also include the mortgage company if you have one listed on your policy. Now, don't sit on this check. Call the mortgage company and find out how to get it endorsed. And once you get it back, go ahead and make the deposit so that you can write a check as soon as the roof is done. Number 3, they will explain how the depreciation works. If the depreciation is not recoverable, you will not receive any additional payments from your insurance company. And whatever that depreciated amount is, you will need to pay that in addition to your deductible. However, if your depreciation is recoverable, you will receive that portion of that payment after the repairs are completed and a final invoice is submitted to the insurance company. Once you receive that payment from the insurance company, pay your contractor and you're done. If you have any questions or need clarification on any topic, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to make more videos to help guide you through the claims process and roof replacement. In the next and final video of this 4-part series, we will dive into what to look for when choosing a roofing company. We'll cover questions to ask, supplements, IRC, manufacturer instruction, labor warranties from contractors and how long they are, extended warranties from the manufacturer. And why are these actually matter? Thanks for watching. I'm Alex with the Lexus Roofing. I'll see you on the next video.